Want to switch carriers but keep your phone number? This is called number porting. If you're with Walmart Family Mobile, a prepaid wireless service by TracFone, here's what you need to know. The FCC regulates number porting to ensure a seamless switch. To port your number from Walmart Family Mobile, you'll need two key things: your account number and a port PIN. The account number is a unique identifier for your account and can be found on your bill or online account dashboard, or by contacting customer service. A port PIN is a security measure to prevent unauthorized transfers, and you must request this from Walmart Family Mobile. Think of it as a password specifically for transferring your number. As of 2025, these measures are in place to protect you from porting scams, which have been on the rise. Never share your PIN with unsolicited callers. Obtaining your account number is straightforward. You can check your bill, your online account dashboard, or simply call Walmart Family Mobile customer service. The most important step is getting your port PIN. This adds an extra layer of security to prevent unauthorized transfers. You can request it through the Walmart Family Mobile website, app, or by calling their customer service at 1-800-378-1634. It's crucial to request this PIN as close to initiating the port as possible, as it's generated for a single use and adds an extra layer of security. Once you have both your account number and port PIN, provide them to your new carrier. The transfer typically takes between 1 to 24 hours, but can sometimes take up to 72 hours. Make sure your Walmart Family Mobile account is active and doesn't have any outstanding balances, or the port might be rejected. Keep an eye on your phone during the process, as your service with Walmart Family Mobile will deactivate once the port is complete.